Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am your Sakib Chaudhary and you are watching Techzoid. Today in this video I am going to talking about a very interesting topic, which is upcoming smartphone from Xiaomi, and I will talk about Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi's phone. And we know that Xiaomi Redmi Note series is very popular, and there are two devices also coming within months, and both are Redmi Note 9 5G and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. All the specification are looking very great, and all the rumored specification is very strong because both device has been certified in 3C website, and it also comes with its designs and looks in Tina. So in this video I am going to share Xiaomi's upcoming both devices rumored specification with you guys. I hope this it will be 90 to 95% accurate, all the specification. So if you are interested about Redmi Note series upcoming phone, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new viewers to my channel, please subscribe our channel for more qualityful tech videos and about upcoming smartphone review, gadget reviews, tech reviews, technological explain. Please for these videos please subscribe my channel, and you have already subscribed, thank you. So let's start the video. So Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 5G and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is coming, and both device has been rumored and both device has been certified in 3C websites, and it comes with its design in Tina website also. So first of all I will talk about Redmi Note 9 5G. So it will comes with 6.53 inches IPS LCD FHD plus display with functional camera. Selfie camera will be 30 megapixel shooter, and it will comes with 4900 mAh standard 5000 mAh battery you can call, and it will support 22-watt fast charging also, and it will comes with 48 megapixel round shape camera module, circle design, and it will have triple camera. Main sensor will be 48 megapixel and selfie camera will be 16 megapixel, and its processor will be MediaTek processor. It will comes with MediaTek 8000U processor, and it will comes with 3 RAM variants, 4GB, 6GB and 8GB variant, and 2 type of storage variant. First one is 128GB and second one is 256GB variant. So in terms of specification it's look good, but Xiaomi nowadays launching lots of phone with MediaTek processor, so I hope that MediaTek is also making good processor for us, so it will not problem. So the devices looking very interesting, and I hope that it will comes with a good pricing. So talk about our next device. So our second device is Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, and its all rumored specification is looking very interesting because it will comes with 6.67 inches IPS LCD display. Its resolution will be FHD plus, and its aspect ratio will be 20:9. Redmi Note 9 5G also comes with 20:9 aspect ratio. In terms of battery, it will comes with 4720 mAh battery, standard 4820 mAh battery, and from 3C website we can claim that it will comes with 32-watt fast charging, and it will be powered with Snapdragon 750G, and it will be maybe the first device which will comes with 750G processor, and it will comes with 3 RAM variant. First one is 6GB and 64GB storage, second one is 8GB and 128GB storage, and last one is 12GB and 256GB storage. And it will comes with 108 megapixel main camera, and with 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro and depth sensor, and in front camera section we will get 16 megapixel selfie camera in punch hole display. Both the devices also coming with Android 10, and both devices will have a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So both device is looking very interesting, like all other devices of Redmi Note series. We are expecting something extra also and great pricing also. I hope that all the devices will be released as soon as possible, and we know that Redmi Note series is very popular in mostly in India or Bangladesh. So it will comes with a good pricing, and overall it will be a good device. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment on this video, and please subscribe our channel for more qualityful tech videos. And if you have subscribed already the channel, thanks a lot. So we are backing with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.